children, in a previous class we have learnt about how to add the numbers and we have learnt how to find out the sum for it. So today we are going to learn if there is a more than 2 addends is given, how we can proceed with that problem. I am going to teach you now. So here 3 plus 4 plus 5. So there is a 3 numbers, that means there is a 3 addends is given over here. Your first addend is 3, your second addend is 4 and your third addend is 5. So we are going to add all these numbers. So don't forget to put the symbol of plus near to the left side of the last digit. Here third addend is the last digit, so that I have arranged plus symbol near to the 5, that is near to the last addend. So now there is a 3 over here. So first addend, so near to 3 I will keep 3 bits here, 1, 2, 3. Here second addend is 4, so I will keep 4 bits here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And our third addend is 5, so I will keep 5 bits here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you are adding these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here your sum is 12. So you know we have found the sum already. Our sum is 12. So now we have to know in 12 how many tens and how many ones are there. So here we are having a 12. In 12 there is a 1 10 and 2 ones. I repeat, in 12 there is a 1 10 and 2 ones. Thank you.